Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of Hacoo. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Hacoo. If you find update, then you can click update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.